Welcome to Ace My Exams Learning. Let us get started with today's learning.
Life Orientation Grade 10. Question. Discuss how self-awareness influences the choices teenagers make about sexuality. When examining the influence of self-awareness on teenagers' decisions regarding sexuality, it becomes clear that the ability to understand oneself plays a central role in guiding actions and shaping behavior. Self-awareness not only involves knowing one's values and emotions, but also helps teenagers to make choices that are confident, healthy, and aligned with their sense of identity. One way that self-awareness supports teenagers is by helping them recognize their personal values and beliefs about sexuality. Adolescence is a stage where individuals are exposed to many opinions, cultural expectations, and media influences. Without a strong sense of personal values, it becomes easy to be swayed by outside pressures. However, when young people are grounded in what they believe is right or meaningful, they can approach sexual decisions from a position of clarity. This grounding makes it easier to filter through conflicting influences and remain true to what matters most to them. As part of this process, when teenagers understand what they believe is right or important, they are more likely to make decisions that align with their values. For instance, a teenager who values abstinence or safe practices is more likely to stick to those commitments, even in the face of social pressure. Making decisions in line with values also provides a sense of consistency and integrity, as actions reflect personal beliefs. This reduces confusion and ensures that the decisions they make feel authentic rather than forced. The ability to remain aligned with personal values often results in more confident and responsible choices, reducing the chances of regret or risky behavior. Teenagers who lack self-awareness may engage in actions they later question or regret, especially when decisions are made hastily or under external influence. In contrast, those who reflect on their values before making choices tend to experience greater confidence in their decisions. This confidence promotes responsibility, helping them avoid harmful patterns such as unprotected sex or situations where they may feel pressured. In addition to values, self-awareness allows teenagers to identify and manage their emotions in situations involving sexual decision-making. Emotional control is important because sexual situations often come with excitement, fear, curiosity, or pressure. A self-aware teenager can recognize these emotions and consider how they may affect choices. By doing so, they prevent emotions from taking over and are able to respond thoughtfully instead of reacting impulsively. Another strength of self-awareness is that it gives teenagers the ability to pause and reflect. Teenagers can pause and think before acting, which helps them avoid impulsive or harmful decisions. This step of reflection acts as a safeguard against making choices in the heat of the moment that may compromise their health or well-being. For example, before engaging in risky behavior, a teenager who is self-aware may step back and ask whether the decision truly aligns with their values and future goals. This moment of reflection can be the difference between regret and empowerment. Finally, the practice of being self-aware ensures that they are more likely to set healthy boundaries and communicate clearly in relationships, promoting emotional and physical well-being. Boundaries are a key aspect of sexual health, as they define what a person is comfortable with and protect them from unwanted situations. Self-awareness makes it possible for teenagers to not only know their limits, but also express them confidently in relationships. This communication strengthens mutual respect and reduces misunderstandings, which contributes to healthier and safer relationships overall. In conclusion, self-awareness deeply shapes the way teenagers handle decisions about sexuality. By clarifying values, aligning actions with beliefs, building confidence, regulating emotions, encouraging thoughtful reflection, and enabling clear communication, it equips young people to make responsible and empowering choices.
To access more learning and exam preparation materials, go to www.acemyexams.coza. This link is also in the video description below. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and be the first to know when we upload new videos.